Good morning everybody and welcome to Living Uniquely You. Myself, Sharon Brown. I hope you are all doing well on this Monday morning. I can't believe that it's Monday again. It just seems to be just coming around so fast. I just seem to be saying, and here we are at another week. I'm coming in today to clear that energy of fatigue, heaviness, the tiredness, the restlessness that's around at the moment. I just feel since the new moon we had last week, there just seems to be nobody has kind of really settled back into themselves since that new moon. So what I'm going to do now today is clear that energy and allowing you to come back into your true divine self, because when we are feeling these energies, we are finding it very we are finding it very hard to motivate ourselves to move forward. It's like there's the resistance to do absolutely anything. I'm feeling that so much myself today, and I just thought I'd come in and help you clear this energy so you can start moving forward and really seeing your true divine self, allowing you to be in that full alignment of yourself, because when we are not in alignment, nothing seems to go right. When we're in alignment, everything goes right. So we just need to let go of that tiredness, that heaviness, that stuckness, all those energies that are really affecting us at the moment. So I'm going to ask you to take a deep breath in, calling all your energy back from people, places, situations, time and space. All the way back, and as it's coming back, allowing it drop through that divine filter of pure love and light. There's a lot going on in the throat chakra I can feel this morning as well, so just calling all your energy back and allowing it to go through that divine filter of pure love and light. And breathe out. Take another deep breath in, and allowing your energy to fully drop into you. So allowing you to drop into you. And breathe out. Take another deep breath in, and acknowledging how you're feeling, not wanting to change anything. And breathe out. Bring your awareness to your heart, and as you bring your awareness to your heart, visualize two big golden roots coming out of your heart chakra, into your solar plex, into your navel, your sacral, your root, your hips, your legs, your feet, the floor, right down into your earth star chakra and into the core of Mother Earth. Feeling your energy and Mother Earth's energy combining as one. And feeling this energy now move up into your earth star chakra, pulling your earth star chakra all the way down, right down into the center of the crystalline grid, all the way down, allowing you to fully connect into that universal energy, and allowing you to fully connect into crystalline grid, allowing your energy to fully connect. This is your rightful place. Feeling your roots wrap around the crystalline grid. Feeling the second part of the grid come up and fully seal in your earth star chakra. Feeling this energy move up into your feet, your legs, your hips, your sacral chakra, your solar plex, and your heart center, doing a 360 degree around your heart center. Calling in pure unconditional love from source of the highest vibration, coming straight down into your stellar gateway. clearing anything that's stopping you from having divine connection. Into your soul star chakra, so you can see, sense and feel your true soul's path, and allowing that to fully illuminate in front of you. Into your causal chakra, so your intuition can be fully heightened. Into the crown of your head, so you can think more clearly. Into your third eye, so you can see more clearly. Into your ear chakra, so you can hear divine guidance. Into your throat chakra, so you can speak your truth with pure love and light. Into the higher heart, connecting into that universal energy of 5D, and allowing you to fully anchor that within your body and life. Into your heart, so you can love you. You can see your beauty inside and out. Into your solar plex, so you can unleash your true divine masculine energies, allowing them to fully balance within the body, and fully accepting yourself no matter what. Into your navel chakra, so you can connect into that universal energy of oneness. It's allowing it to connection with all, and fully anchoring that within your body. Into your sacral chakra, so you can unleash your true divine feminine energies, allowing them to fully balance within the body, and remembering and reawakening who you truly are. Into your root chakra, so you can bring in the abundance of life and all life has to offer. Into your hips, your legs and your feet, so you can take any necessary steps forward, right down into your earth star chakra and into the core of Mother Earth. Feeling this energy move up into your feet, your root and your heart, doing a 360 degree around your heart chakra. Feeling your energy, Mother Earth's energy and Father Sky's energy combining as one. And feeling this energy move to every part of your body, every part of your being. Allowing you drop right down into that stillness, into that oneness, to that 0 point, where nobody needs anything from you or wants anything from you. This is your time and your space. Now I have an energy, I have a beautiful parrot sitting on my right shoulder. And the parrot has come in today to help us speak our truth. Stuff I'm being told that somebody is holding onto, that they need to release it and let it go. It's like I have this big mesh around my throat chakra that needs to be cleared, and it's just holding everything in right down to my heart. So whoever that belongs to, we need to really clear this. It could belong to many, but it's allowing us to really speak our truth, and allowing us to let go of this tiredness energy, the fatigue that's around us, and all those lower energies, and clearing us and back into the high vibrational energy of ourselves. You Payantaya payu payu paya nanamaya nanani paya nia you pata sana na 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 nye pata. Yes and yes and yes and nye payanan nye my new. It's come now into a ball in the throat, so we're just going to have to clear that ball. It's running up into the ears, so just allowing the ears to clear, releasing this energy that no longer serves us, letting go of that tiredness, the fatigue, and all of low energies that are stopping us from being ourselves. Ayana nakata sana nakatu ye patasayana nakatayana katasalele katu seya sana makatayana. Ayana nasana makatayana katu seya sana makatayana katasalele hi selele hi kete sana makataya. Ayana nakatu seya sana makatayana kalena sana napakata selele katu seya sana makatayana. Patayana pata. Yesana makatayana katuse yesana makatayana katasalele patata. No semayana nakatayana katuse teo sebete. Patasana makataya. Ayana nakatu seya senamakata. Yete. Te seya pata. Te seya pata. Kutu seyana nakatayana kataselele katu seya pata ye pata. Kete yata. Pote yate. Sete yata. Nia pata. Kute seyana na katayana katu seya sana katayana kalena na pahyana katu seya se kutu seya mata kalehika kusa me se tulete. So the parrot has come in today to help us speak our truth and speak what the words we need to speak. So he's placing his wing along your throat chakra and one on your heart. And he's giving you the essence of freedom of speech. He's pouring that essence within the throat chakra and the heart. Giving you that energy of freedom of speech. Freedom to be who you are. Kutuye ye pata, kane sana nakata, le se e lehika su lehika, kote mose ya se tu. So feeling that energy move to every atom, every being, your 12 DNA strand, your cellular memory, right down to your endocrine system and any systems running within the body. Ayana tu seyete pe kata kotu yeyete say na say tu. So I'm going to ask you to cross your hands over your knees and fully anchor that energy in. Hiya Kate. I'm just going to pull a card for the week. That was very heavy energy around the throat. Very heavy energy. I'm going to pull, I haven't used these cards in ages. The mermaid and dolphins ones. I feel we just need a bit of magic, that heaviness, that real heavy energy of fatigue and all, that's totally gone now. I can feel that we're back into alignment, but that parrot came in really to help us really speak our truth and see ourselves as well. So what I'm hearing is, if you need to repeat it to something, keep repeating it until they actually hear what you're saying. They mightn't be listening. Hi, Regina. Yeah, thank you for that. You're very welcome. So we'll see what card we need for for the week. Oh, there's one there. Soulmate relationship. What I feel that is with ourselves, with our true divine self, with our light body. Okay, new romance is a spiral with a spiritual basis is here for you now, but I feel that is us connecting with our higher selves and really intertwining and getting what we need to get. See, the infinity sign, I see, but I also see that that light body is, what I see there is our DNA, and it's about us really clearing the DNA and allowing us to be our true authentic selves and be ourselves. That's what I'm getting, and there's a lot of light coming from source. There's a lot of I feel also it's to do with the emotions, about releasing the last of what somebody's holding on to something very tight and on an emotional level, and it needs to go because it's stopping you from expanding and going to your next level of consciousness. Hi, Edna. So that's what I feel, that card is really letting go of and going towards the light, so we can really see that light and see that light within ourselves. I hope that makes sense to you guys. Have an amazing day. Have a magical day, magical Monday. If you would like to work with me on a one-to-one basis, please DM me. And guys, have a magical day, and I will talk to you all again tomorrow. And remember, you are the most important person in your life, and have a magical day, guys. Thank you for watching this, and thank you for watching the replay. Take care. Bye.